Welcome back, guys. We're going to be doing an unboxing today and a review. Saw this vevor electric die grinder, and I'm like, heck, I'm going to try one of them out because I got the N.R.T. M12 cordless. But the problem with that is it's always getting too hot or going through batteries, and according to N.R.T., there's like a sensor on it that shuts it down if it gets too hot in the battery or something, so they redesigned the battery, but apparently I got all the old batteries and it'll be like $100. Says, as you see, I don't know if that's alright. Hopefully it's not bent. Looks like it jammed towards the side of the box. And I've also heard from some people that left some reviews that these can have electrical problems. So, I mean, it was, I think I paid 40 something for it. Which is pretty cheap for electric die grinder. I know the DeWalt one is like $200, so I don't know how good it's going to be. Looks like we got some spare parts. Go ahead and put this gentle because it looks like we gave it some spare motor parts. Did exactly what I didn't want to do. Cut the rubber on the tool, but it is what it is, I guess. Not the end of the world. So we're going to go around and disconnect this tool and stick our street lights. But I'm going to go ahead and disconnect this tool and hook it up to some power. See what happens. As you can see, that's not, never had an electric tool do that. You'll hit the throttle, hit the button, and then let off and then hit it again. It takes a little time to speed it back up. Usually it's just instantly. Almost like a properly tuned engine. Just instantly. Power. So, can you probably see what they were talking about? These are my wrenches. Yeah, there's my wrenches. Gotta have the wrenches. I mean, I don't know if it's because of color, but I like vevor. I mean, orange stands out. I don't know if that's the reason, but I mean, I've had other of their products. I got their impact socket set. I got an engine hoister jog cylinder that's arrow or jog, but that does have a couple problems. The valve will stick on the air thing. That'll keep going up, which is kind of dangerous if you're by yourself using it. But I've talked to them and we worked out a deal on that. So it's not the end of the world, but I need to get that fixed. I don't even know if they provide replacement parts for that. Probably not, because it's made in China. I mean, that's everything's made in China, so can't really give crap to vevor, because everything's made in China. Now, now I do have. I got the. What is it? I got the rear axle carrier on the 90 that I got this once before. Because I got my bird set from Benchmarks Abrasives. And what I'm going to do with that is I am going to take my burr and basically, because the inside of the axle carrier, it's hard to explain without it. I'd show you guys if I found it, but I don't remember where I put it last. So basically, there's an issue with it where the bearings failed and the axle dug in to the axle carrier, and I had to weld all that up. And I don't have a milling machine or CNC, so this is my next best route. I was using carbide on my Milwaukee. I believe it was no, it was my ear one, my ear die grinder. Which is alright, but still has its problems. But and I got a little far on that, but it just takes forever, and I think my burr burnt up. But I got a whole new set right here. It was expensive. It was like almost $350. As you can see, got a whole new set of burrs, and I think we're ready to go. So I'll be making a video on that. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video. I did end up having to pay for this one. I did ask vevor a sponsor channel, and they said my channel doesn't get enough views. So if you want to get me sponsored by vevor, leave a like, comment, and get these video views up. I know I made a couple videos of my sponsors, and it's like, I think I got like 28 sponsors, and it's not like, I got some that send me products. I got some that I earn money from affiliation, like if you guys buy their product or a code I give you, I earn like 2% or something like that. And yeah, but so far I don't have really any company to do like a full money sponsorship, which, I mean, it's okay, because I mean, this ain't NASCAR, this is YouTube. So I even got some huge brands out there like Channel Lock, and in a million years I never thought I'd be, I don't even know what the correct term is. Is it a sponsorship, or is it, I gotta look that up. I think it's sponsorship, because basically a company gives you something in return, you promote them from your company, so that's technically a sponsorship. So yeah, need to give Channel Lock a call and make a request, because I'd like to do a review on their pry bars. I think they have the ratchets, and then I'm gonna probably do a review on Capri ratchets. And also, some of these companies aren't continually sponsors, they're just companies I've been sponsored by. Like, like, those two Kinkamo companies, they sent me some stuff to help with removing gas, not gas, but rust out of gas tank. And stuff like that. But I need to give Joe at N.R.T. a call. We're getting an Odyssey because I mean the chances someone other than me watching this video knows Odysseys is 1 in a million. But see, this is a point stator. And we got a white wire. Point stator. We got a white wire, we got a yellow wire, and we got a black wire. On my original stator, I only had a black and yellow wire. Why is that? I don't know what the deal is. I'll put some photos in the community so you can check it out. All the wires go to the coils, directly to the coils. Why is the 3 wires? This ain't a CDI stator. This is a point stator. Pretty much just some of the whole Odyssey. Really tempting just to restore it now, but it'll take a while. I'm already restoring a damn tractor, so this one I'm just trying to clean up some of the rust on it, and took all the out so I 100% get the line harness correct with all the grounds and stuff, because last time I was doing it with all the stuff in here and it wasn't fun, let's just say that. Well, that's the review on my vevor die grinder that I bought. I don't know how long it's gonna last. Really want it to last because I need it. But if it doesn't last, I will be getting my money back. So, tough tools, half price. I don't know if it's really tough tools because every besides the sockets, I really haven't had a problem with the sockets. But every vevor thing I've had a problem with. So I don't know if that's true, but maybe false advertising. I don't know. But hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. We do reviews all the time. If you're interested in more, just turn on notifications. You never know what I'll post. I may post a review video. I may post working on the Odyssey. Heck, maybe post doing some woodwork with the Milwaukee 10-inch miter saw over there. Who knows? But until next time, guys, I want to say thanks for stopping by. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.